that's a badgent. And this is all done, is it?
Investigations after at least 2 dogs attacked and killed almost 70 sheep on 2 farms. 50 of the deaths were on a farm in County Offaly. This report contains images that some viewers might find upsetting.
A tragic and traumatic sight for any farm family. 50 dead sheep after an attack by 2 dogs on the Healy family farm in the hills above Moneygall. Owner John Healy's 2 sons made the discovery.
I got the dreaded phone call down in Bor in my job.
The human being is just diabolical and selfish. It's okay for the human being to hunt and kill animals, but when a dog genetically works under its genetic prey drive, it's wild and out of control. We understand the consequences, and as a farmer now, more so. However, banning the e-collar is only going to cause more suffering to farm animals and dogs. Ban the e-collar, they say. Ban this, ban that. Whereas a farmer has the right, and it's by legislation, that they should shoot your dog on sight. So imagine being a farmer, and this is the reality that you face one morning. You're coming into your paddock and you see a dog chasing sheep out of control. Of course you're going to shoot the dog.
Punishment or reward. Flat. Seat. Flat. Seat. Flat. Seat. Flat. Seat. Flat. Seat. Good shot. So balance training offers both options, and the dog eventually learns that it makes a decision. House. Had a sticky out, we're using the vibrate, right? The possession for that, I love it. But again, when we don't get what we want, we can go to the stim, yeah? And that stim there, 9. I put the stim in, we get the ball back, and we're able to go back to controlling the dog. False. Now, because of the potential stimulus, we increase the stim. We could go to 127, we're at 40. Plats. Now I make sure that all control is absolute. False. You'll notice I asked for the boost there.
Now we are letting the dog act out. With the e-collar, I have a chance of controlling the dog. Without the e-collar, these sheep are absolutely in a very deadly situation. They would be pulled apart, like we have seen far too often. However, with the Ecollar, I'm able to control contact. I'm able to control proximity and recall the dog. Now, imagine not having this dog trained on the Ecollar. Imagine what would be happening now. But because of the training, this is not a sheepdog, but I'm showing it as an example. Because of the training with the Ecollar, I'm here off leash with an American Bulldog and using it to shepherd off leash sheep. We're living in such sad and feeble times where the most diabolical imbeciles that lack any type of intellectual property are responsible for making important decisions. Banning the e-collar is one of the most dangerous legislations in relation to wildlife safety and the safety of dogs. We only use human grade products for our fantastic food. You can see the truth from the peas, the carrots, the raspberries, the strawberries, the free range eggs. Simply delicious. We are the only company that can brag that we know exactly where the protein sources came from. The reason for that is we are the owners of Stanhope Farm. We produce our own protein sources. Look at these. How authentic is this? Organic lamb and mutton, free range, happy, healthy. Working closely with fantastic vegetable and fruit farmers in Kent. With over 25 years dedicated to canine husbandry, I am proud, I am delighted to present Uncle Benji's Raw with the highest ingredient profiles in this country. Highly delicious, highly digestible, full of nutrition. We offer a money-back guarantee. Order today at poochdvd.com.